In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to pull in state names and state abbreviations into your AlignMix file so that they can be included in any of your exports. So to start, make sure you've opened up an AlignMix file. Now to do this import, you have to have your third-party data already imported, and you would do that during the initial install process of AlignMix. When you click here on File, Import, and then Import Third-Party Data, if this button is not clickable, you still need to go back and reinstall AlignMix and make sure to include third-party data. Click on this button, and now you will see a pop-up appear allowing us to choose what to import. This is also where you would be able to choose what sort of demographic data linked to zip codes you'd like to import into your file. But that's for another video, so let's collapse that. What we want to do is pull in data from this second section. So we click there to expand it, and here you can see you can import zip code type, state abbreviation, state name, county name, the county FIPS code, the congressional district, or the time zone. You can select all of these if you want to. For now, I'm just going to include state abbreviation, click Next, and now that is being imported into our AlignMix file. Now when we lasso an area now and let go, you can click on the zip codes button and you'll now see that the zip code text data appears. So it will show you your state abbreviation for every zip code that has been lassoed. And then from here, you can run an export to Excel, and all of your exports will now include the state abbreviation for every zip code in the country.